What's up guys, welcome back to Mr. Hyde's Cocktail Collection. My name's Eric and today I'm going to be showing you another classic, the White Lady. So the White Lady is basically a play on a sidecar, except for without cognac, we're going to go with gin. Let's start by chilling our Nick and Nora glass. And we're going to go 1.5 ounces of Tanqueray 10 gin today, a little bit more citrus forward. Go 3/4 ounces of triple sec. So we're using Cointreau today. And 3/4 ounces of freshly squeezed lemon juice. We're gonna include 1 bar spoon of simple syrup just to help with the balance and also remove any bitterness from the juice. This cocktail usually does call for 1 egg white, but we're gonna remove that today just because I really want a nice bright cocktail and the egg white really does muddle the flavors. We're gonna ice up our tin. Give it a nice hard shake. Just gonna double strain this cocktail. And then we're just gonna finish with a flamed orange peel. Chuck that. And there we go. That's our White Lady.